Welcome to Fluent Speak Academy. Today, we're going to learn all about the simple present tense, one of the most important tenses in English. Whether you're talking about your daily routine, a general fact, or something that happens regularly, this tense is your go-to tool. Let's dive right in. The simple present tense is used when we talk about habits, routines, and facts. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m., or the earth revolves around the sun. Sounds easy, right? That's because it is. When forming sentences in the simple present, use the base form of the verb for subjects like by, you, we, and a they. For example, they play soccer every weekend. But when your subject is she, or it, you add s or is to the verb. For instance, she plays soccer every weekend. Let's see some examples. I drink coffee in the morning. She drinks coffee in the morning. Do they go to school every day? He doesn't like pizza. See how simple that is? Now, let's move to the negative form and questions. For negatives, just add a do not or the does not before the base verb, like this, he does not like pizza. For questions, start with do or the does, like do you read books? Now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. Let's practice with these sentences. Great job! Here are the answers. That's it for today. Now you know how to use the simple present tense for habits, facts, and routines. Keep practicing and soon this will become second nature to you. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Fluent Speak Academy for more fun and easy English lessons. If you have any questions or topics you want us to cover, email us at fluentspeak01@gmail.com. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.